Welcome guys. Okay, we're going to do a video on the e38 on the vanity lights, as they're called. Sun visor lights. So, when your key is in the on position, you open this door after you've folded the sun visors down. You slide it open, lights are supposed to come on. Now, this light's on, this one's not. I don't remember if they both used to come on, but I'm assuming that they would. And on this side, nothing. Not coming on at all. Now, I remember they did both used to work before the headliner was installed. I just don't remember if they both worked or not. I'm going to assume they did. So, since we know this one works, bam. This one does not. We're going to go in here with a T20 Torx. First things first, you got to, when this thing sits over here, just grab your little flat screwdriver and pop it out. And then once you do that, you can grab your T20, bam, go up in here and take the Torx bolts out. And once we drop them both out, we'll have access to the wiring. We don't really need to check the wiring so much on this side as we do this side, because we want to make sure that it's actually plugged in properly. But I am, once I do what I got to do here, this is coming down. I'm going to pull this good bulb out, switch it over here, see if that works. And put it over here and see if either of those two work. Then we'll know if we need to re-wire this one, if he didn't connect something, or if my bulb's just coincidentally burned out. So we'll see. Okay, and with those two T20s removed, we do have a plug connected here, which is how it should look. So we just got to make sure that we have that over here. If we don't, that should fix that. If we do, then our issue is probably going to be with the bulbs. But you do need a pry tool. Not a screwdriver, so I'm going to go grab my plastic trim removal tool, and then we'll pop that out without damaging the headliner. Well, there's my problem, boys. So that is attached. Are we missing something? Why, I would say that we are. The lights. By the way, I use this pry tool to get them loose. Just kind of go up in the corner here, and then run it down. It'll pop right out. So, alright, well, we know we have one good one. I'll pull the good one out of there, and then we'll know which freaking bulb we need, and we'll need, like 3 of them, or at least 2 of them. I'd be willing to wager that one's missing. Let's find out. Well, that confirms it. There's the bulb, there's the one that's missing. I need 2 hands to pull it out. Alright, so it looks like it says made in France, and it is a 2866. These look like the same ones that might be the plate lights, I don't know, so I might have 1 spare. But I'm going to need like 3 of them, so hopefully AutoZone has them, so I can get this thing ready to rock again. Okay, so we're back after an AutoZone run. We bought 6411s because we could not find the 2866, but I'm happy to report it works all the same. This is the original one. This is the 6411. So if you need to replace your interior vanity lights, you can do with made in France 2866 or this dude 6411s. So, alright boys, I think that's a boom done, so appreciate you watching. Hopefully this helps. This is how you can check to see if your vanity lights are working, and if they're not, whether or not somebody stole your bulbs, or if you just need to reconnect the switch in here. But switch wasn't disconnected. He just, for some reason, took my bulbs out and didn't put any back in. I don't know why. What a dick. Alright, man, and now for the fruits of our labor. Buka! Bam! With the key in position 1, we now have vanity lights on both sides. And in case you were wondering, well, why did you decide to go with the 20 or the 6411 instead of the 28, or of all the bulbs they sold there? It's because that one was the exact same size. So 6411 was the same size as the 2866. The filament was slightly different, but it was the same, and as you can see, they're now the same brightness, and they both work, and all is well. All is good in the hood, so That's it, guys. That's how you check, change, replace your vanity lights, should they not work anymore in your BMW e38. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.